Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Senpai from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the face, starting with the eyes. Draw a thicker curve here with a short line down at the end. Now do the same thing for the left eye, but make this line slightly shorter. Now draw circles like this for each eye. Now draw a small circle in the top left of each eye. And then a U shape to the right on both sides. And then draw short lines on top of each eye towards the center. Next, draw the nose under here with a sideways V shape. Let's draw the face shape now like this. Next, let's draw the mouth. Draw a straight line across. And then a U underneath to close it off. Now on top, draw a short line down and then over for the teeth. And then a curve at the bottom for the tongue. Let's draw the eyebrows next like this. Now, draw curves on either side of the face for the ears. And then the details inside the ear like this. Let's draw his hair now. Starting above the left eye, draw an S curve down and out. And now a curve over towards the right eyebrow here. Now draw two pointed hair pieces across. And then a large curve to close off the section of the hair. Now finish off the top left piece with another same S curve. Then one more vertical piece of hair on top. And now draw a few detailed lines inside like this. Now under the curve, draw a line across for the hairline. And then some small lines inside. Next, draw a section of hair going down to the right ear. Now come back up to the top and draw a wavy line down. And then a short line in. Next, draw a curve down to the ear. And then add one more curve inside here. Now draw two more pointed sections of hair underneath the right ear. Let's hop back over to the left side now and draw a short piece of hair coming out from the top of the ear. And then another section below. Let's stop here just before the face so we can leave room for the collar. Let's draw the collar of his shirt next. Draw a line down on the left here. And then a curve down under the chin. Now draw a V shape. And then draw the other side of the collar in the same way. Curve it back to the face on the right. Then add another small vertical line inside for the side of the neck. Now, under the center of the collar, draw the knot of the tie. Then draw the bottom of the collar, connecting it to the top of the tie knot. Next, draw a small curve on either side. And then curve it back in. Now draw the rest of the tie downwards, curving it slightly to the left. Let's draw the right arm now. Draw the top of the shoulder with a line out and then back in at the bottom. Now leave a gap and draw a shallow S curve for the side of the body. Now come back up to the shoulder and draw a line down. Then a bent line across here. Next, let's draw the thumb with a kind of swirly-like line. Now before finishing the hand, let's draw the top of the microphone. Draw a C curve here on an angle. And then a crescent shape above it. Now add a curve at the top for the microphone. And then add some curved detailed lines inside. Next, draw the index finger under. Now finish off the bottom of the microphone with 2 diagonal lines. And then curve it to close it off. Now draw the 3 remaining fingers out to the right. Lastly, finish off the bottom of the arm like this. Let's finish drawing the shirt now. Draw the left side of the shirt here. Then a curved triangle at the bottom. Now hop to the right side and draw a diagonal line out. Then a V shape for the bottom of the shirt. Next, draw the belt with lines across. And then 1 vertical line for the side of the belt buckle. Let's draw the other arm and backpack now. Draw a curved line down for the backpack strap. And then a line across and down for the other side. Next, draw the outline of the hand like this. Then curve J shapes down for the fingers. Now a curve on the side for the thumb. Then finish off the bottom of the backpack strap with 2 curves back to the body. Now inside the gap here, draw a diagonal line for the arm. And then 2 curves under the hand for the sleeve. Now draw a large rounded square shape for the backpack. And then the flap coming out to the left. Let's draw the pants now. Draw a vertical line down, and then a curve on the left. Now leave a small gap and draw a diagonal curve under it. Next, draw the sides of the pants downwards on either side. Let's draw the right leg first. Draw the inside of the right leg with a longer line down. On the right, draw a bent line down here. And then close off the bottom of the pants like this. Next, add some fold lines inside. Now let's draw the shape of the shoe. And then add some curves along the bottom for the sole. And then the outline for the tongue of the shoe like this. Let's finish off the other leg now. Draw another line down for the inside of the left leg. And now draw the bottom of the pants like this. And add one more fold line inside. And lastly, draw the left shoe in the same way as the other one. And that's it for the senpai. Let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.